The cost of industrial sludge treatment today is not cheap. Industrial sludge, or hazardous sludge, usually costs from 2.5 to 5 million VN dollars per ton. But the biggest problem is, in 1 ton of sludge, water accounts for 80 to 85%. That means businesses are paying to treat water, not solid sludge. Currently, common dewatering technologies like screw presses, filter presses, or centrifuges only bring moisture down to about 80% because they barely touch the hard-to-remove water, such as bound water or capillary water. Meanwhile, electro-osmosis technology breaks these water bonds, reducing moisture to 60 to 70%. It sounds like the moisture only drops by about 20%, but in reality, the sludge mass drops by half. With the same cost, businesses can treat double the amount of sludge they need to dispose of. We can simply divide sludge into 2 parts, water and solids. Water is the moisture, and solids are the dry part left when all water is removed. Now let's take an example. 1 ton of sludge has 80% moisture. That means it contains 800 kilograms of water. And the most important rule is, the solid part never changes, no matter how the sludge is dried or pressed. When we reduce moisture from 80% to 60%, water then accounts for 60%, and solids account for 40%. The solids are still 200 kilograms, now making up 40% of the total sludge after moisture reduction. So we calculate the new total mass as 200 divided by 40%, which equals 500 kilograms. In this 500 kilograms, the solids are still 200 kilograms, and the remaining 300 kilograms is water. So the water, originally at 800 kilograms, is reduced to 300 kilograms. That means we removed 500 kilograms of water.